Our lesson for today is about dividing fractions. Okay? So, kung mag-divide tayo ng fraction, always write it in a lowest term. So, first step, when you divide fractions, first, copy the first term, or we call it the dividend. So, we have 2/5. And then, proceed to multiplication. And then, get the reciprocal of the second term, or the divisor. So, when we say reciprocal, baliktarin natin ito. The numerator will become the denominator, and the denominator will become the numerator. So, meron tayong 3 all over 10. Ang next step is multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. But, kung gusto nyo ng lowest term kaagad ang sagot ninyo, kailangan na natin or pwede na tayong mag-cancel dito. So, ang pagka-cancel natin, pwedeng dito, taas, baba, or by cross. To this one, and this one. Okay? So, kung napapansin ninyo, ang 2 and 5 hindi pwede, 3 and 10 hindi pwede, 3 and 5 ay hindi pwede. Pero, ang 2 at saka 10 ay pwede. So, i-cancel natin. 2 divided by 2 ay 1. 10 divided by 2 ay 5. So, pareho silang divisible by 2. Ang susunod ay i-multiply na natin numerator to numerator. So, 1 times 3 ay 3 all over. 5 times 5 is 25. So, the answer for 2/5 divided by 10 over 3 is 3 all over 25. Okay, so itry natin yung 2/5 divided by 10 over 3 without using the cancellation. Okay, so ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung saan ang mas madali. So 2/5 divided by 10 over 3. So gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, ang rules ay copy the first term. So, 2/5, proceed to multiplication, get the reciprocal, magiging 3 over 10. And then, multiply 2 times 3 ay 6. And then, 5 times 10, 50. And remember that 6 and 50 are both divisible by 2. So, divide natin both numerator and denominator by 2. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 50 divided by 2 is 25. So, our answers are the same. So, it's up to you which is easier, this one or this one. Okay? So, mamili na lang kayo kung saan dyan ang gagawin ninyo or gagamitin niyo. Second, number 2 example. So, gagamitin na lang natin ang cancellation para mas madali, okay? So, number 2 example, 1/2 divided by 1/3. Okay, so first step, copy 1/2, proceed to multiplication, and then get the reciprocal, magiging 3 all over 1. So, of course, since 1 and 1, you don't need to cancel. Okay? Hindi na natin siya kailangang i-cancel kasi siya na yung pinaka-lowest na number. Okay? And lowest term. 1 times 3, 3. 2 times 1, 2. So, this is our answer. But if you want to write in mixed number, simply divide this one. Shortcut method of dividing or lowest term this. Copy the denominator. So, how many 2's we have in 3? We have only 1. And then 3 minus 2 ay 1. So, it's either 3/2 or 1 and 1/2. Got it? Okay, next. Number 3 example. Meron tayo dito 5 all over 8 divided by 2 over 10. Okay? Again, first step, copy the first term multiplied by the reciprocal of the second term, 10 over 2. Next, 5 and 8 cannot be 10 and 2, it is possible. Okay? And then 5 and 2, it cannot be 10 and 8 possible. Okay? So let's do this first. 10 and 2 divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2, 1. 10 divided by 2, 5. So no more. So it cannot be, it cannot be. So that is the lowest term. 5 times 5, 25. All over 1 times 8 is 8. So this is our answer in improper fraction. But if you want to write it in improper fraction, okay. So shortcut method. Okay. So ilagay lang, kopyahin lang ang denominator dito. And then if you count and skip counting, how many 8 are there in 25? So let's do the skip counting. 8, 16, 24. So we have 3. 3 is our whole number. So when we count the skip counting, so 8, 16, 24. So 24 subtract from 25. So 25 minus 24, we have 1. So this is our mixed number. Okay, let's check our mixed number if it's correct. How? Let's do the long division. 25 divided by 8. We have 3. 8 times 8. 24. Subtract 1. So the whole number is 1. Remainder, the numerator. Divisor is the denominator. Got it? Okay. So, dapat masasanay din kayo sa mental division pag maliit lang na number para mas madali kayong mag-solve pag may exam. Okay? Another example. We have 3 divided by 2/5. So, 3 divided by 2/5. Kung napapansin ninyo, ito ay whole number and fraction. So, sabi ay fraction. It's okay. So, if it is written like this, you can make the whole number fraction by how? By putting 1 on as its denominator. Okay. So, copy now, 3 over 1. Proceed to multiplication. Get the reciprocal, 5 halves. So, cancel? No. Cancel? No. So, there's no number that is divisible by the numbers given. So, multiply na natin numerator to numerator. 3 times 5. And then 1 times 2, 2. Again, we need to get the mixed number. So, this is a possible answer. Pwede rin siyang mixed number. Okay? So, how? Again, let's do the shortcut method para matuto kayo. So, copy the denominator. And then, skip counting by 2. Remember the last number that you count, okay? So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, remember 14. So, we have 7. 7 will be our whole number written on the side. So, remember 7, right? So, of 7, and then the last number that we count is 14. So, 15 minus 14 is 1. So, this is our lowest term in mixed number. Okay, last example. We have here 3/4 divided by 3. Okay, 3 naman tayo ngayon. So, kanina, it's whole number and fraction. Ngayon ay fraction and whole number. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, gawin lang ang whole number na fraction. Okay, first copy the first term. Proceed to multiplication. Get the reciprocal. So, 1/3. Next, kung may pwedeng i-cancel, i-cancel. Dito, wala. Dito, wala. Dito, wala. Pero dito, meron. Kasi parehong 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. Okay, next, multiply numerator to numerator. 1 times 1, 1. 4 times 1, 4. So, our answer is 1/4. Okay, so ganyan lang kadali ang pag-divide ng fraction. First step, copy the first term. Second step, copy the second term, but get the reciprocal. Okay? And proceed to multiplication. If there are numbers that can be cancelled, then cancel so that your final answer will be in lowest term. Okay guys, I hope you learned from this video tonight. And thank you for watching.